Hello, I'm Colleen from Labroma and thank you so much for joining me for this recipe video. So this is one of my old favourites. I can't even remember when I first created this recipe, but I've been using it for a long time. So it's a massage oil. And let's start by talking about why massage oils are one of the most effective ways to use essential oils and aromatherapy. A massage isn't just what we go to a therapist to get or when our partner finds time to give us a massage. Having control over our self-care and self-massage is such a gift. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you've heard me say this time and time again. Taking 10 minutes at the end of the day or, before you, just as you finish work, before you step into your evening, to do self-massage, may it be just your arms, your neck, the backs of your legs, it really helps change your state and gives you some of that much needed self-love, especially if you're using essential oils. Now today's blend is an invigorating blend, and as I say, I've been using it for a long time, and I first made it as a massage oil blend for my clients. It's now become one of my body oils that I use all the time. It's got 3 beautiful essential oils, and I swap out the carrier oils a lot. Today I'm just going to use jojoba, okay? So I've got 100 mils of jojoba in my dark glass bottle, and I make all my massage blends in a dark glass bottle. It protects the essential oils and protects the carrier oils from light, so preserves their quality longer. Now what I'm going to do is, I've got my jojoba in here. You can use any carrier oil you like. You can get very creative and use things like avocado, arnica, blueberry, whatever you like. I'm going to use jojoba. I use a lot of this blend, so I tend to make a big bulk of it. So I'd make like a litre and split it down into 10 bottles. So my essential oils I'm going to use for this invigorating massage oil is Ylang Ylang, Clary sage and Bergamot. So let's start with the Ylang Ylang, which is a beautiful flower. I am going to use 4 drops of it, and it smells so nice. It's so uplifting and supportive. It's one of the first oils I've ever learnt about, and it's still one of my favourites. I adore this oil. If you invest in one oil this month, make it Ylang Ylang. Okay, Clary sage. So Clary sage, and maybe I wouldn't use this in a man's blend. Maybe I would swap it out for black pepper if I'm making this for a guy. But for me, I like Clary sage as an invigorating, supportive essential oil. But also from a hormonal point of view, I find Clary sage incredibly supportive. Now, that doesn't mean that I only use this blend around times of, my period. I do like to use it all the time. But Clary sage definitely helps balance out my hormones and keeps me a little more sane, I should say. We should ask the people I live with if they agree. So my last one, which is my big invigorator in this recipe, and that is bergamot. And I'm only going to use 3 drops of my bergamot. Now you can use a different citrus. You can use grapefruit, yuzu, orange, lime, lemon, any of those. I like bergamot because the aroma of bergamot with the Ylang Ylang together is divine. If you've never blended those 2 oils together, do. They're aromatically beautiful and a wonderful diffuser as well. Now that brings me on to my last point. We've just made a beautiful massage oil, so just give that a stir. Make sure your oils get incorporated together and through the carrier oils. But if you love the sound of this and massage isn't your happy place, maybe you just don't like it, make this blend in your diffuser. So exactly what I've done, take the exact drops, the recipe that's in the notes below, add it to your diffuser and let that be your invigorating aromatherapy blend. You can be as versatile as you want with these Labroma recipes. Put them onto a roller ball and use them as a pulse roller, diffuse them, put them in the bath, whatever you like to do, however you like to deliver your self-care. If you want to find lots of other recipes and lots of other different invigorating or relaxing recipes, check out all of the rest of our videos or subscribe to the YouTube channel so you never miss one of my recipe videos again. If you make any substitutions or you try it and love it, let me know. Leave me a comment in the notes below and I will happily talk to you about substitutions or how to make this recipe perfect for you. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.